Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's Opening Bell. My name is John. I am the Membership Director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today and of course every day of this webinar. We are live from Bucharest, Romania and broadcasting this webinar worldwide. Every attendee will be muted in this webinar, and for any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. I will write my email in the chat box for you to have it in case it's needed. Now I will start reading our disclaimer. If you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the meeting info tab. Futures, options, and Forex are leveraged instruments and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for education and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You as a viewer are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for education and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. Now, with that in mind, your presenter for today, the Foundation Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian Guta. Hi, Marian.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. Let's start. First, we'll present the future file. These are the assets we are tracking. We have 2 hot trades, recent open, and 5 open trades. Recently, we have closed 1 trade. 2 on the watch list, 2 assets on the watch list. This is the Forex file. This is the future file. We have 4 open trades, corn, wheat, soybeans, and sugar, 2 hot trades, and 9 on the watch list. Again, let's do it one more time. Forex and future. Let's start presenting. First asset, it's corn. Cycle 32.60. The cycle currently is presenting a top period. I have entered in a long position on May 19. This trade is currently gaining 2.28%. The paradigm signal has presented an important spike on June 7 and it's looking like it has hit it perfectly, then a decline period after that. We are seeing another important spike on June 14. I have added a horizontal line. This trigger line, basically how I name it, it's presenting a stop level. If the price will touch the line or go under it at this level, I will decide to exit the trade. Currently, I'm still in the position, in the long position. Next asset is wheat. Cycle 29.90. The cycle is presenting a positive movement with the top around June 26. I have entered in a long position on May 19, currently gaining 0.95%. This horizontal line, this trigger line, exactly the same like in corn, I have added at this level. If the price will go under it or touch it, I will decide to exit the trade. Basically, this is a stop level. The paradigm signal has presented an important spike on June 6, a topping period basically after that, then a decline. So this On the primary signal, it's still presenting like it should top and it should start declining. Okay, if we are not changing to the secondary signal, really soon I will decide to just exit the trade. Again, these next couple of days are crucial. Currently, I'm still in a long position. I'm maintaining this long position. Next asset is soybeans. Cycle 30.00. The cycle is presenting a positive movement with the top around June 30. I have entered in the long position on June 5, currently gaining 1.37%. The Paradigm planetary signal is presenting a positive movement. We are seeing the highest point, the moving average, the black line point, on August 8. So this is presenting a longer positive movement. So the cycle is presenting a positive movement, the Paradigm signal is presenting a positive movement. I will maintain this long position. This currently is gaining 1.37%. Let's continue with the next asset, sugar. Cycle 34.70. The cycle currently is creating a bottoming period, then a positive movement after that. We are seeing the top of the cycle on July 17. I have entered in a long position on June 6, currently gaining 0.57%. The Paradigm signal on secondary is presenting a positive movement until this spike on June 19. Currently, I am still in a long position and I am maintaining this long position. Let's present one more time the trades record. 4 open trades in the future file, corn, wheat, soybeans, and sugar, all long positions. All of them still positive currently. S&P 500. Cycle 36.90. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline. We are seeing the lowest point on July 10. The Paradigm signal has presented an important spike on June 8. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing the moving average bottom around June 29. So this is still presenting a decline period. The Paradigm signal is still presenting a decline period. The cycle is still presenting a decline period. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded, but I'm searching for a short position. Next asset, T-bonds. Cycle 45.20. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. We are seeing the top of the cycle on July 3. The Paradigm signal has presented an important spike on June 6. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing the lowest point on June 14, tomorrow. Then a positive movement. So the Paradigm signal, the planetary signal, is presenting a positive movement after this June 14. The cycle is in a positive movement already, so it's presenting a positive movement already. So I'm currently searching for a long position in T-bonds. I didn't enter yet. NTR today, no trade recorded, but I'm searching for a long position. Next asset, gold. Cycle 27.90. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline, with the bottom on June 6. The Paradigm signal, which have worked really good for a really long period of time, have presented an important spike, and it's looking like it has catched it perfectly on June 6. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing an important icicle on June 19 and the lowest one on July 17. So the Paradigm signal is presenting a decline period. The cycle is presenting a topping period. I didn't enter yet in any trade. This is still looking like it can decline. I'm searching for a short position in gold and in silver actually. Let's present silver. Silver is 37.20 the cycle. The cycle is presenting a decline period with a bottom around June 26. The Paradigm signal, which have worked again really good for a really long period of time, has presented an important spike on June 7. It's looking like it has catch perfectly this recent top. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing an important icicle on June 19. Then the lowest point on July 17. So the better line signal is presenting a longer term decline. The cycle is presenting a decline period. Currently I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset on the watch list, crude oil. Cycle is 27.30. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming. We are seeing an important icicle on June 15 in 2 days. The moving average bottom, the black line bottom, is actually on June 23. After that, we are seeing a positive movement with the high spike on July 25. So the paradigm signal on primary is presenting a positive movement. Currently a bottoming, then a positive movement until this July 25. The cycle is presenting a positive movement too. I'm searching for a long position in crude oil. I didn't enter yet. NTR today, no trade recorded. Next asset, gasoline. Cycle 50.00. The cycle is presenting a positive movement with the top around July 10. The paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period. The moving average bottom, this line bottom, is around June 19. The black line bottom, okay? Then it's presenting a positive movement. We have a couple of important spikes. The first one is on July 12. The middle one, it's on July 25. And the third one, before the decline, is on August 3rd. So the paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. Currently I'm searching for a long position. I didn't enter yet. Let's continue with the next asset, natural gas. Cycle 25.70. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal is presenting on primary a positive movement with the highest spike on June 28. So the paradigm signal and the cycle is presenting both of them are presenting a positive movement. Currently I'm NTR, no trade recorded, but I'm searching for a long position. Let's continue with the next asset on the watch list, coffee. The cycle is 30.30. The cycle is presenting a bottoming period. We are seeing after that a positive movement until the top on July 6. So the cycle is presenting a positive movement until that top. We are seeing on the secondary signal, we are seeing an important icicle which has passed on June 2nd and a second one on June 16. I'm targeting that as an entering point for a long position in coffee. After that is presenting, the paradigm signal is presenting a positive movement until this high spike on July 11. Currently I'm NTR, no trade recorded, but I'm searching for a long position in coffee. I didn't enter yet. Next asset, cotton. Cycle 25.00. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal on primary, and it have worked really nice for a really long period. It's presenting an important icicle on June 19. After that, a bottoming period. Then a positive movement. The moving average top is presenting on August 2nd. So the paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period. This looks like this asset can still decline for a couple more days. Currently I'm searching for a long position in this asset. I didn't enter yet. Let's present one more time the trades record. So we have 4 open trades. And on the watch list, we have 9 assets. These are the closed trades. Let's continue in the Forex file. We have 6 open trades, 1 recent closed, and 2 on the watch list. 2 hot trades, recent open trades. Let's start presenting. First asset is Euro AUD. The cycle is 45.30. The cycle is presenting a decline period. We have seen the bottom of the cycle on June 22. I have entered in a short position on June 2nd, currently gaining 1.79%. The Marian signal has present a decline period. We are seeing the bottoming of the moving average around June 21, a positive movement after that until this high spike on June 29, then another decline period with the lowest icicle on July 26. So the Marian primary signal is presenting a longer term decline with the lowest point on July 26. Currently I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining this position. Next asset is Euro CAD, cycle 37.90. The cycle is presenting a decline. It's looking like it has catched perfectly the top. I have entered in a short position on June 2nd, currently gaining 2.10%. The bottom of the cycle is on July 3. The Marian signal has presented 2 important spikes, one on May 23 and a second one on June 2nd, then a decline period after that. We are seeing 2 important icicles, one on June 15 in 2 days, another one on June 27, then a positive movement after that until June 29, then another decline period with the lowest icicle on July 26. So currently I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining this short position. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro CHF. Cycle 35.10. The cycle currently is presenting a topping period, then a decline with the bottom around July 7. I have entered in a short position on May 16, currently gaining 0.70%. The Marian signal, which have worked perfectly this couple of months, has presented an important spike on May 8th, and it's looking like it has catched perfectly the recent top. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing an important icicle on June 13, that's today. Then a positive movement after that. Currently, I'm searching for an exit point in this asset. So, I'm still in a short position, still gaining 0.70%. I'm searching for an exit point in this asset. Let's continue with the next asset. Euro JPY. Cycle 35.40. The cycle has presented a bottoming period. I have entered in a short position on May 25 and currently gaining as the cycle is present its second bottom, this bottom, on July 19. This trade is gaining 1.59% recently with the current price. The Marian signal has presented 2 important spikes, one on May 15 and second one on May 22, then a decline period after that. We are seeing 2 important icicles, one on June 8, which has passed, and second one, which is the lowest one, on June 26. I'm targeting this June 26 as an exit point. So again, currently I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining this short position. Next asset, Euro USD. Cycle 37.10. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline until July 4th, this bottom. I have entered in a short position on June 8th, currently gaining 0.22%. The better line signal, again, having two important spikes. One, which have passed on May 23, and second one on May 31. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing three important icicles. First one is on June 19. Second one, which is higher than the first one, on July 3, and the lowest one on July 17. So on one of these 3 days, I'm targeting as an exit point. Currently, I'm still in a short position and I'm maintaining this short position. Let's continue with the next asset. JBP/JPY. Cycle 38.60. The cycle is presenting a decline period. We are seeing the bottom of the cycle on June 28. I have been in a short position started on May 25 and I have exited on June 13. Recently I have exited. This trade have gained 3.85%. As you can, we have a lot of support at this level, the way I'm seeing it. The borderline signal, it has presented and is still presenting a positive movement with two important spikes, one on June 14 and second one on June 16. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing the lowest point on June 29. So the borderline signal is presenting a positive movement for a couple of days. I have exited the trade currently. I'm intending to enter again this next couple of days in the short position. Let's continue with the next asset, USD/CHF. Cycle 25.50. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. If we are taking a look at the cycle, it's looking like it has catch perfectly the tops and the bottoms. Currently, I'm in a long position starting on June 8th. This trade is gaining 0.04%, basically dead even. The paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period. We are seeing an important icicle today on June 13 and second one on June 16. After this is just presenting a positive movement. We are seeing two important spikes, one on June 26 and second one on July 17. So this is looking really nice. This is one of the hot trades. This is presenting a bottoming period. The borderline signal is presenting a bottoming period. The cycle is presenting a positive movement after this. It's looking really nice for a long opportunity. Okay, let's present one more time the trades record. These are the past trades, the closed trades. We have two on the watch list. Let's present those two. JBP/CHF first. The cycle is 44.30. The cycle currently is presenting a topping period, then a decline. Recently, it's looking like the cycle have inverted. It has presented a bottom. It was actually a top. Now it's presenting a top. It probably will be a bottom. The paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period. We are seeing an important icicle on June 13, again today. Then a positive movement after that. We are seeing an important spike on June 26 and the highest one on July 12. So the paradigm signal is presenting currently a bottoming period, then a positive movement after this. Currently, I'm searching for a long position in this asset. I didn't enter yet, NTR today, no trade recorded, but I'm searching for a long position. Next asset, and the last one on the watch list, it's USD/JPY. The cycle is 31.40. The cycle is presenting a bottoming period around June 19. The paradigm signal the planetary signal, had presented an important spike on June 12th, yesterday, then a decline period after that. We are seeing the lowest point on June 29th. Basically, the bottoming point around June 29th. After this is presenting a longer-term positive movement. We are seeing the highest spike on September 5. This is looking really good for a nice long opportunity. Again, we are seeing the bottoming around the planetary signal is presenting the bottom around June 29. Currently, I'm searching for a long position in this asset. I didn't enter yet. NTR today. Let's present one more time the trace record. This is the Forex file. And this is the feature file. Okay, it's looking like we have reached the last part of the meeting. I hope you guys have enjoyed and see you tomorrow. Take care. John, please ring the opening bell.